Being with you like this makes everything perfect.
You complete me in every way.
I love you.
Oh no, what happened? Hey, wake up, are you okay? I'll just be a moment.
All right, I'll wait here.
There is a skeleton in the dustbin at our house. Come to our house, there is a skeleton here. Ma'am, you are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
No, please, I didn't do anything.
Get in the car.
No.